My name is Ephraim Marbun and I will practice reading for my TED assessment. I'm deeply honored to stand on this stage, representing that growing recognition on the importance of immigrant diaspora communities. I am an Iran American, a kind of free Iranian fortunate to be here with all of you and free to embrace all the positive elements of my native culture, poetry, music, philosophy, and politicality every day in a way that many Iranians in Iran cannot. Yet also take joy in having an identity that stretches between two same oversized poles, Iran and America, because this gives the arrow of my life a unique perspective on this. I want to share a few American ideals that illustrate this multicultural dichotomy within me. The first is independence. In America, independence is fundamental, the foundation of our freedom that make all of us, all American, feel extraordinary, unlike my Iranian side, where everyone is involved in each other's affairs. I am free, perhaps even encouraged to propose my own happiness, and that feels incredibly liberating. The second is continuous improvement, the idea that you can always do better. American is democrat that is constantly creating and renewing itself. We make mistakes and keep growing and evolving. That's why being an entrepreneur in America is so exciting. We are free to try to build wherever we want. For me, at this moment, we must challenge our corporate political duopoly and strive to democracy itself. Isn't it amazing that, as an American, I can do that without fear or permission? Yet, I am also Iranian, and I have the ancient wisdom of Iranian mystic Ferdowsi, Hafiz, and Rumi flowing through my veins. So, each of these American traits give my Iranian soul a reason to pause and reflect. For mystic, independence is great, but if I'm truly independent, then I need nothing and no one. That's a bit lonely. Iranians are inherently social and communicate oriented. In fact, the word Iran itself is combination of ir and an, where ir comes from yar, which literally means friendship or love, and an come from ostek or land. Shout out to all our brother and sister from Ireland, another land of love. But they way where the love and friendship within my freedom loving stature of liberty like American soul, love request, connection and interdependence as we have long known. And interdependence, well, that now very American. After all, America never had a declaration of independence. So, my Iranian side pleads for me deserts here. As my beloved Sufi uncle Behzad used to say, love is the ether in which the universe swims. So, without love, we truly have nothing. So, to be independent, or to fall in love? That is my cross-cultural question. And what about the American ideal of continuous improvement? That's so very productive if you ask my American side. But once again, my Iranian side disagrees. I remember a magnet on my mother's fridge. If you going to be happy, you have to be happy now. Hinting a small existential issue. The only thing that truly matters is now. And of course, we have the Iranian mystical Pir Rumi, who pleads with us, verse after verse, to get drunk and out of our means, so that we can be joyful, present in rapture on the moment. So, should I work to create a better future, or get drunk and be happy now? Another multicultural paradox. Or is it? Maybe all this time I've been creating a false dichotomy. There is no true Iranian or American person on this stage. Within me, after all, I am not an LLM trained in a lab on set of separate cultural memes. I am a factual universal consciousness, still magical, mystical, and now as human. I am a point, thank you, a point and the center and circumference, or an infinite sphere. As my favorite reader, George Louis Borges from Argentina once wrote, and as magical mistake live MML, we humans are free to embody and paradox we find, whenever it suits or will. We can choose to be culturally American or Iranian, or both, from wherever we come from, and even have a favorite read who is neither. As MML, we can simultaneously be independent and free will, deeply connected by love to everyone and everything. Always striving for a better future, we're also being happy together, here, now. Thank you.